Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you people are getting benefits, and today we are going to do our 14 cue card from the market series. ये क्यू कार्ड आपको जनवरी से लेकर अप्रैल तक आएंगे. सो देखते हैं. सो टॉक अबाउट अ पब्लिक फैसिलिटी दैट इम्प्रूव्स इन्फ्लुएंस लोकल लाइफ. सो शुरू करते हैं. I have always been interested in knowing that what the government of my nation or the government of my city is doing for the betterment of people, especially for my city. And there are a lot of facilities that the government has provided. But here I'm going to talk about the latest facility that is really helping people to become a better version of themselves. Basically, a park has recently been published. Published भी कह सकते हैं. A park has recently been constructed in my city, and now people are able to get a lot of benefits. What I have seen is that I have seen a large number of people are now walking regularly. They wake up early and just go for brisk walking in the park. And there are a lot of facilities that they have provided, due to which people are getting benefits, especially in case of their health. And the first thing is that there is a separate playground for children, where there are a lot of swings and children are able to spend a significant amount of time for their health. They just play there. And there is also a gym that is specially for children, not the heavyweight training gym, just a simple regular gym for stretching exercises. And there is a huge track on which people love to brisk walking and love to do walking, and this is something that is really helping people. Now people are caring about their health. And the third thing is that there is a separate area that is specifically for elders, and in this area they just love to talk with each other and love to do yoga. So we can see that there are a lot of facilities that have been provided in this park, and people are definitely getting benefits in case of their health, and people are even communicating and interacting with each other. So this definitely is a great social platform for them. Also, they are getting benefits in case of their health. So this is a public facility that has recently been provided to people, and local people are definitely able to gain health, and they are able to enhance their health. So this is a public facility. सो आपने देखा कि मैंने थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया है, काफ़ी कुछ बताया है इसमें. सो आप इसके काफ़ी पॉइंट्स ले सकते हैं. एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, जिसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा. आपकी 10 वर्ड्स वाली जो वीडियो है मैंने बनाई है वो देखें. उसकी वजह से आपके बहुत सारे जो बैंड हैं, एक बैंड आसानी से बढ़ जाएगा. राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग और रीडिंग तीनों में आपका बहुत ही फ़ायदा होगा. सो उसको जरूर देखिए, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, हमें नहीं पता होता है कि हम कैसे हमारी लाइफ चेंज हो सकती है, बट सिर्फ वो एक वीडियो ही आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर सकती है. थैंक यू.